Hello. Another Sunday, another post, another week, another city. I am in Oaxaca City right now. About to go do my laundry. I can't remember the name of the spot. Yeah. I think they charge by kilo. I'm hoping in Mexico City they charge me 250 pesos per kilo. But while I was in Puerto Escondido, the hostel that I was at, Tower Bridge, they had lines on top of the roof. So I was able to wash my clothes there. You know, traditional hand washing style. Took me back to St. Lucia for a little bit. But yeah, I'm about to go find this laundromat, drop this off, get myself some grub. All I've had this morning was my garlic, lemon, and honey tea, and also a banana and an apple. About 11 a.m. So now it's about 1:30, about to be 2 o'clock. Gonna have me a nice little lunch. The city is cool, man. Nice traditional city. Everyone's wearing masks. Yeah, there's not really much to do compared to the other cities that I've been to or that I'm aware of. What else? So yeah, give me 1 second and I'll check back in a bit. Permiso. Yeah, this city is really beautiful, man. Very, very beautiful. Approaching the laundry now. Hola.
Hola, buenas tardes.
¿Cómo está?
¿La batería?
Sí.
Estaría para mañana.
Bueno,
A las 6 de la tarde.
a las 6 de la tarde. Bueno.
Sí, ahí, por favor.
¿Cuánto por un kilo?
¿Mande?
¿Cuánto por un kilo?
28 pesos.
28. Ok, bueno. Just got my ticket. Mine was 2.2 kilos at 62 pesos. So I'm gonna have to pick it up at 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Now I need to go find me a good restaurant. I'm a hell of a picky eater because I grew up with food allergies, so I like to eat what I like. I don't like to try new things. I'm not gonna try new things. So So yeah, let's go find this good restaurant so I could eat, man, because I'm starving. I do intermittent fasting. I try not to eat before at least like 12 p.m. And if I do eat anything before that, it's not gonna be anything processed. It's gonna be all natural. It's like some fruits and veggies. At home in Brooklyn, I do my vegetable juice in the mornings, and that makes me feel good throughout the entire day. I started that when I was working out constantly because I wanted to lose fat on my stomach but also gain muscle. So my breakfast, I don't really have breakfast, but my lunches and my lunch is really heavy and protein packed, and my dinner is lighter than my lunch but also protein packed. So yeah, I'm gonna go find this restaurant. I don't know which restaurant, but I'm gonna find the restaurant and get some grub. What else? That is the hostel that I wanted to go to because I heard there has a lot of vibes. The hostel that I'm at right now is oh yeah, Selina de Oaxaca. It's a nice hostel. There are no curtains to separate the beds. That's one of the only problems. And also there's no vibes. And the reason I wanted to go to Tichuchi or Iguana is because I heard that the vibes are popping. But I've been having so much vibes recently, especially in Puerto Escondido, that I'm not really with the vibes right now. I just want to come and do some work. You know, you gotta find balance. Probably my next city I'll go to a hostel with some vibes. But for right now I need to stay down and just focus on work right now. Veggie burrito at this cool vegan spot. Sexy vegan burritos. I'm gonna destroy this and tell you guys how it is. So yeah, I just tore up this burrito. It's at Conguillo. And it's a nice little spot, man. Say hi, Nancy. Yeah, it was a vegan burrito, but it was popping. I'm gonna try to, because this burrito was so good, I'm gonna try to hold on to this vegan eating style for a little bit. And it's way healthier. I've done it before, so I could do it again. Probably gonna, well, it wasn't that expensive. It was only 100 pesos. Only 100 pesos for the burrito. So not that expensive. So yeah, man. Gonna go now take a shower. Show you guys a little bit of the hostel. Yeah. Just had one of those am I recording moments. Tell someone. Walking into the hostel now. Selina Hostel. This is the street. but there's no one here. This is what the light is sucky in here. This is what how much was it? 12 USD a night gets you in Oaxaca city. Nice little bathroom and suite. Decent shower head still. The lighting is trash in the room, so I'm sorry. So this is my bunk, top bunk as always. 8 bedroom. So yeah, I'll catch you guys.